Hello, friends. Wanted to share a few quick announcements with you and help you get through the software engineering week. So I'll share my screen with you so you can see what I'm looking at, and we can go ahead and get started. Okay, so just looking at the syllabus, this week we're supposed to be covering 2 chapters out of the Clean Coding book. The first one is on concurrency, and the second one is on successive refinement. I'm going to encourage you to read those both independently, and if you get a chance, I'd like to hear your thoughts on both of those chapters. And then out of the other book, the Engineering Software Products book, we've got Chapter 8, Reliable Programming, and Chapter 9, Testing. So I feel like the testing will lead in nicely into next week's discussion on unit testing. But I encourage you, take a little bit of time, skim through both of those, and that'll work great. Other thing that I want to make sure is on your radar, April 2nd, we're going to do round 4 of our project presentations. Giving everything that's going on, given that we've moved to a virtual environment, what that's going to mean is, as a team, somebody somewhere is going to take the lead, and you're going to make a YouTube video that explains what your project is and what you've got working. So the other thing I wanted to share, we've had several announcements that have gone by. My classes are now virtual, and so what this means is I'm going to try to do everything asynchronously. I'm going to try to make these videos and then hang them out there on YouTube as needed, but I won't always make these videos. The syllabus is going to be kind of our schedule. The assignments that we had posted in software engineering, the assignments were set up just to remind you, hey, you are supposed to be working on this. I'm going to try to be flexible and allow you all to do what you've got to do. I expect you to be contacting each other and making sure that you're getting done the parts that you needed to get done. Okay, so attendance. The one thing that I want to emphasize here is I want to make sure that you're safe and well taken care of. And that was the number one thing that I want you to take away from this conversation is I do care about your well-being. I do feel a responsibility for making sure that you have what you need to be successful. And so that's why we've got these attendance quizzes. Now, online asynchronous is a pain, and I know that you don't need one more thing to fill out, but this way I get you to tell me, listen, if you're not safe, I'd like to know about it. Do you have enough to eat? I'd like to know about it. If there are concerns there, you know what? You can bring those concerns to me, and then I can take them to the dean of students or look for other resources, reach out to get help. But anyway, if you need help with that, I want to be a part of the process to get you the help you need. I want you to spend a little bit of time discussing what you're doing to take care of your health. And specifically, if you've got something that's awesome that you're really enjoying, let me know about that. And if you want me to share it with other folks, I'd be happy to do so. Also, just in general, what do you need to be successful in your education? Small things, like it took me 45 minutes this morning to find a cable that I needed to run some of my equipment. If there's something I can do, if there's something I can set out for you, leave in the office at the school for you, something like that, let me know. But anyway, I put these quizzes out there because I want you to remember, I care about you, I want to make sure that you're okay, and I want to know if you need help with anything. These quizzes are out there on Canvas. The other thing I put out there was join the Discord server, just in case campus email goes down or my network for my cell phone gets messed up. Discord server still can get messages to me directly, can get messages to your teammates, and you can reach out for help there. So the other thing I wanted to throw out there is we've got a YouTube channel, and let me see if I can drag that down and show you what that looks like. We own SWOSU Computer Science, and so SWOSU Computer Science is ours. This is what I'm using to hang these videos out there, so I stay off the Dropbox server and things like that, and stay off the Canvas server. If you have content that you want to add to this, go ahead and let me know. I think it's a fairly straightforward thing to make you a account manager, I think is what the title is. Anyway, there's lots of good stuff that can be done. I think it's really interesting to learn from people that are going through this situation. Learn from peers that are doing the same thing that they are. So that's why I would encourage all of you. You know, software engineering, that's a good example. How are you doing a team project when you are supposed to be staying at home? So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. If you're interested in any of that, please do let me know. So with that, the takeaway from this conversation is software engineering is now a virtual class. We are going to continue on. The question at the end of the day is, what have you done to develop the skills that are going to make you employable? And hopefully I've provided an environment where you can be successful in learning how to do those things and manage those things. So with that, I hope you all are safe. If there's anything I can do to help, please do let me know. And thank you all for your time, and thanks for spending a little time with me. Have a great day.